Magandang araw guys. Mayroon akong bagong gawa. Homemade rifle marble gun. Guys, oh. Camouflage guys. Yan. Oh, ganun tingnan nyo. Camouflage. So guys, magluta guys. Ito ang tangke ng alcohol guys. Ato load sa. Lagyan ito ng alcohol guys. Ito guys, ang pump ng balon. Ato itapol guys ha. Tapos guys, ato idikit guys. At guys, ito guys, ilagyan ng julin guys. Ayan guys. Ito ilagay ito julin guys ha. Oh. Parang magasin guys ba? Oh. Lahat julin ito, ilagay ito ha. Ayan guys oh. Tingnan guys. Kita yung julin oh. Ayan guys. At pagtapos guys, ito ilagay guys. Sa ludiganan guys, julin. Ayan guys oh. Tingnan mo yung julin guys. Oh, kita guys oh. So guys, mag-test guys. Tingnan mo ang battle guys. Yun ang target race ko guys. I-race ko. Guys, mag-loading na guys. Tingnan guys. Target race guys. Guys, lakas guys oh. So mag-load na guys. Yan guys, ang julin guys oh. Ito guys oh. Na, julin guys. Ate guys. Meron julin guys. Ate gansa. Loading na guys. Loading na. So, start na guys. Tira ang battle guys. Go. Okay. So guys, wasak yung battle guys. Please support my YouTube channel, Jason Vlog. Please subscribe, like, and share.